These are the top 3 invisible moments in airsoft. Number 1, this guy wanted to help his teammates, but had no idea that he was being aimed at.
He's shot in the back. He's shot in the back.
Even though he passed the enemy 2 times, he still didn't know where he was. So the guy in the ghillie suit saw his chance and eliminated every other teammate without leaving his place where he hides. This guy didn't know that he was never going to be able to have kids again. This guy seriously needs to clean his ears before playing airsoft.
Huh?